Welcome to Ailes Acres. Got a San Marino. And then you got a coastal breeze back here. You got a Harbor Breeze breezeway. Blendy boy. Will it blend? It's blending very well.
God bless.
God bless.
In conceal. Anybody need a fork?
Then we got the 6-blade Alaska. Those things are pretty cool. Got this Evergo. The Hampton Bay Minuet. Spartan, which is basically a Fasco Old South reload, or basically a Fasco Old South, which this is really cool, honestly. You got the original. Always got to have an original with the original Schoolhouse Globe, which is pretty awesome.
Actually, I got that globe out of the
You got an Evergo.
It didn't actually come with that globe.
Still pretty cool though.
It looked good on it. That's why I left it.
And back here you got a U-42.
It's not plugged in because
Take a look at this beautiful original again.
Don't forget the best fan, the flapped out latch.
The Clapsco. If you guys don't know, I'm visiting Tori Ailes' fan display. Tori the Fan Man. And the famous Ailes Acres lighting display.
Got the cool off.
Yes. Very cool. And then we got the
iconic work.
the cool operator. Cool operator!
That song always comes in my head when I sing it.
Cool operator. Just kind of pan around and see a little bit of everything. And that's pretty much it. This is Ginger Fan Studios here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a good day and take care.